lovely jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have been very kindly sent some Charlie's Nail Art products for review. So I'm going to be doing a design today using some of these products, and what I don't use I'll use in a future video. So make sure you stay tuned. So these are the two products that I'm going to be using today. So you've got nail art, water decal wraps and some sort of rhinestones or gems. So it does have instructions on the back in case you're new to nail decals. So I'm going to be doing it over this on this sort of nail art stand. I'm not sure which video you're going to see first, but basically normally I would put my false nails, these false nails, on my nails when I'm doing, like, I would show you it on my nails, but because I've got rhinestones on some of my fingers it's just not going to work. So anyway, these are the two colours that I'm using. So it's Nails Urban Graffiti gel polish, and it's Hawaiian Lei and Summer Sky. So I'm just going to apply this the polish to the nails now. And I just love these two colours together. They are an awesome colour combo. So you need to pop that underneath your lamp to cure. But before I do, I'm just going to apply the pink as well. So I'm going to be doing 2 coats of both colours. So this is how they look. I have gone ahead and wiped the tacky layer off. And because obviously it's a water decal, I've got some water here. So I'm just going to get these nail art wraps out, and these are like really gorgeous. So you've got pink and blue roses, and also as well, I don't know if you can see, it's almost like a rain against a window design, and you've also got hints of leopard print through it as well. So absolutely gorgeous. You do need to remove this film before placing into the water, otherwise it won't loosen from the backing paper. So I'm just going to cut out the nail art, sort of the you know what I mean, the bits I'm going to use in the water. So obviously you could just place this on as a full wrap and completely cover the nail, but I actually wanted to do something a little bit different with these. So I actually cut these in like a V shape before I place it into the water, because obviously it's going to be easier, because once it comes out of the water it's going to be sliding all over the place. So yeah, I'm just going to place this in. You need to leave it in there for about 10-20 seconds till basically it comes loose off the backing paper, which is what I'm going to be showing you now. So it comes off really, really simple. Just be careful, because you obviously don't want to crease it or anything like that. So I'm just going to take this off the stand just because it's going to be a little bit easier to work with. So you want to place it on your nail where you want it and position it up, and then basically once you've done that, you want to get some paper towel or a cotton pad or whatever and just get rid of that excess water, and then that is going to stick to the nail. So I love these. They're really easy to use and really quick as well if you're in a rush. So I'm just going to cut off the excess decal that I don't want. And then obviously you can just sort of fold it over and tuck it in, or use acetone to remove any excess decal. It's totally up to you. So there you go. So I was just going to do it like this initially, but then I decided to use the bit of the nail that basically I had cut off. And I actually placed that over the top. So you've kind of got like a negative space look going on there, which obviously you've got the gorgeous pink colour peeping through, because obviously this has got the pink roses on it, which just looks absolutely stunning. So I've gone ahead and done that for the other nail. I know it's not completely perfect, but hey, it's nail art, it doesn't always work out that way. So to finish this mani off, I'm going to be using these gems. So the rectangle gems, they are flat bottomed, so they're going to be really easy to apply. You'll get 10 in a pack, And each gem is 7mm by 3mm, and it's made from a resin with a stunning AB coating. Really don't have a clue what that means, but that's what it's got on it. So it really does give a real stunning effect. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of normal top coat, not gel top coat, and place this onto the nail. So there you go. It'll change colour as the lights, as different lighting sort of catches it. And I decided to put one sort of in the middle of these as well, just to incorporate it into the design and also hide the little imperfections that I've made cutting out the wrap. But actually it worked really, really well, so I'm glad I decided to use it on this one as well. So what I love about this is actually it's going to look really stunning on your nails, and it's going to look like it's taken you a long time to do, but it's actually really easy and really quick. Like, even if you are a nail art beginner, you could actually do this mani. So I'm just going to add it on to here. And as you can see, I've added another bit of the nail wrap to the bottom of it, but I didn't add it on top as well because I just wanted to use these rhinestones, and I'm actually going to be using these rhinestones here. I have used them recently and I can't remember what brand they are, but all details will be in the description box below anyway. So there you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a gel top coat. I'm not putting it over the rhinestones. You really don't want to do that because it just dulls the sparkle of the rhinestones. But I'm using gel just because it'll make it last that little bit longer. Now I have actually put other Charlie's nail art nail wraps on my own nails, and they do last quite a long time really when applied with like a gel top coat. So I'm really, really impressed with them. It's really good quality, bearing in mind the price that you are paying for these products. So I absolutely love how these turned out. It's a super, super gorgeous mani. I hope you agree, Jelly Babes. And I'm just going to quickly place them on my nails just so you get a little sneak peek of how they would look. But obviously you can see the rhinestones peeping through even, not peeking through. But yeah, super, super, super gorgeous. And it's just going to look so elegant, and it'd be like perfect for like a wedding or something like that. So thank you for coming and checking it out. Big, big thank you to you, Charlie's Nail Art, for sending me these gorgeous products to review for you. So that is it. Here's some other videos that you might not have seen, and I'll see you in the next one, Jelly Babes. Bye.